Hello, my name is Patrick Tracy, and I'm the purchasing manager at Small Quantity Boxes Packaging Systems in Neenah, Wisconsin. Jay Skinner, the CEO Extender, has been a coach and a mentor to me on various training and sales and marketing projects I've been a part of. He has used his wealth of knowledge and experience to provide me with excellent feedback and guidance. Jay has a knack for being fun and memorable while teaching and marketing. A few examples of this include playing the piano on his weekly live broadcast, comparing finding your customers to hunting ducks, and coming up with fun marketing slogans like "Don't package naked." I admire Jay's passion and his commitment to excellence. He always helps and inspires me to be the best that I can be. I highly recommend Jay Skinner.